Start.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
धन्यवाद. Okay. Okay.
कार्याणां कर्मणा पारं
Yeah.
यो.
Can you see the this one?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, okay. You read it. Karyanam karmana param. Read it.
कार्याणां कर्मणा पारं यो गच्छति स बुद्धिमान. रामायणम.
Right. First, over each word, not only you should learn sukti, you should learn how it is constructed. Right? We know now we have to do anvayam also. So karyanam, karyam sabda says sixth bhakti bahuvachanam. Karyanam means 6.3. Okay. So karmana means karma sabda suda tritiya vibhakti. 3.1.
Correct.
Karma. Okay. Karma, karmana, karmane, karmanaha, karmanaha, karmani. Like that it will go. It is napumsakalingam, karma sabdam. That tritiya vibhakti, karmana.
Ma'am, can you put it on slideshow? Because it's looking very small.
I am showing on screen. Can you see that screen?
Screen I can see, but it is small. Can you put it on slideshow?
Slideshow.
There is.
It is.
That one.
No, my problem is it is a PDF file. Will it come?
Oh, okay.
Because this is then not.
Then make that 125%.
120. I'll make it. I mean, you might want to make it bigger. Okay.
Little bigger.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
I made it 150 actually.
Oh.
Is it bigger?
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
Okay. So Karyanam stands 6.3. Karyam sabdam. So Napumsakalingam. So Karyanam is sixth vibhakti. Okay. Karyasya karyayoho karyanam. So that means all your work. That is of all your work. Karmana, karman sabdam. Tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. 3.1. Param means prathama vibhakti. Napusalingam 1.1. Yaha, yo means you have to visarga sandhi is there, so yaha gachati. Whenever o is there, I told you put visargam. So yaha gachati. Inga saha buddhiman. Visargam is there, but they have not put it. Visarga say lopam. So saha buddhiman. So this is thing. So looking at it, karmana means by karma, by doing his work. Karma. By karma. Param means that the end part. That is like the tatam we told, no? For Nadyaha tatam. That is param means that sima, the end. Whatever
after crossing.
Reach. So yaha, which person? That person is a buddhiman. Saha buddhiman. Who is the buddhiman? Yaha, what something he does. Saha buddhiman. That yaha, what he does? Karmana, by his own effort, by his own work. Karyanam. Karyanam means whatever he is supposed to do, all the work. Param gachati, reaches, finishes all his work by his own effort. Saha buddhiman. So in the book, if you open, you have English book, huh?
I have Kannada book.
Kannada book. Okay, anyway, that this thing is there. This is from Ramayanam. He who achieves his end. Param means end. He who achieves his end with the effort. Karmana means with the effort, by effort, with the effort. Is indeed wise. He is the wise person. Is it okay? This much we know. Now we will go to that other things and all we have seen. That is Visheshana Bhavam in the book 1 we have seen already. Okay, yeah. Now we will directly go to what we have not seen. This is Melayata. 1 minute. Now, Samasya. Next one, this is this also we have not seen. Vyavaharika Sabdaha is there. That is, they may ask question in this. Okay. Father, sister. You can see my this one. Can you see? Vyavaharika. I will tell you, but I don't know the page number from your book.
I will.
It starts with wife's brother.
I got it. It is in 10.
Got
Page
it?
number 10.
Okay. Page number 10. I will also take it. Yes, Vyavaharika Sabdaha. Words conveying relation. Vyavaharika means relationship. Vyavaharika Shabdaha. First one is brother-in-law. That is wife's brother. Are you able to see Shyalaha?
Yeah, I can see.
Shyalaha is the wife's brother. This you can simply read and you have to mug it up. There is nothing to teach here. But quickly go through it. From the book also you can read it.
Yeah. Shalaha, actually wife's brother. In Hindi, I think they call Sala.
Yeah, that is that. Correct.
So, the Sanskritam is Shalaha. And then Devaraha. That is husband's brother.
There also in Hindi, Devar we call, no?
Devar, yes. There is no Visarga.
Actually, from Sanskrit, they have modified Hindi to some extent.
Visarga they removed.
Yeah.
And then that Shalaha is Apabramshu actually.
Yeah.
They call it Sala. Prapitamaha.
See, Pitamaha, you know.
Yeah.
Pitamaha, this is Prapitamaha. That is father of the grandfather. That is the idea.
Great
when you
grandfather.
put one pra before that, he is the one step before him. So Pitamaha is my grandfather. Prapitamaha is my grandfather's father. Okay. So pra, if you add, you go one step before that.
Then Pitruvyaha.
Correct. Father's brother. In Tamil we say Chittappa. You also sing like Chittappa, Periyappa.
Yeah, even in Kannada we say Chikkappa, Dodappa, like that.
That is why. The same thing, Pitruvyaha is father's brother.
Dauhitraha.
See,
that is
Dauhitraha is daughter's children. You have son and daughter. Son's son will be your Pautraha. Putrasya Putra Pautraha. Daughter's son Dauhitraha. Okay. Because daughter is known as Duhitri. You can write down this word. It will make you remember this. Daughter is another name for daughter. Putri is there. One more name is Duhitri.
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 Duhitri. Okay.
Ataha Tasya Putraha. So Dauhitraha. Du will become Dau. For example, Putraha. Putrasya Putraha. Pautraha. Who will become Pau.
And son's daughter will be Pautri.
Son's daughter is Pautri. Daughter's daughter is Dauhitri. Okay.
Visarga will come, no? Dauhitri.
Whenever Ikaram comes, stealing it, there is no Visarga. Dauhitri, Putri, Ikaram.
Oh, Dirga.
Okay. So, Dauhitraha is daughter's son, grandson, but daughter or grandson. Prapautraha. When I said pra, you go one step further. I told you, no? Pautraha means your grandson. Prapautraha means grandson's son.
Grandson's son, okay.
You have got a grandson, let us say, but he is big, married, he got a son.
Okay,
then he is known as Prapautraha. And then nephew, sister's son. Sister is Bhagini. You know, na? We call Bhagini, the sister. Bhaginiyaha putraha, Bhagineyaha, sister's son. So Bhagineyaha.
Hmm.
From Bhagini, Bhagineyaha.
Bhagineyaha. Okay.
It comes from Bhagini. Bhagini means sister. Sister oda son means Bhagineyaha. Then brother's son.
For sisters, daughter, what we call, ma'am?
It is not given.
Bhagineyi. Bhagineyi.
Bhagineyaha. Bhagineyi, it will not come. Putri. Irunga.
Okay.
They have not given also.
They have not given here.
Yeah, it will be there. I'll tell you. Like, no. Bhagineyaha. Bhagineyi may be possible. I will have to find out.
Bhagineyi.
Because usually, top pratyayam only, strilinga pratyayam is there. Top we call it. It will become ikaram if you put it. It will become like, for example, Draupadaha means Drupada's putraha. Draupadaha. But putri is Draupadi. So Draupadaha plus that Stri pratyayam we add it. So from Pullingam we arrive at Strilingam by adding a Stri pratyayam. So like that it becomes. Okay.
Okay, Bhagineya.
Anyway,
Then
I will
Bhatru.
find out and send a message to you.
Ah,
Sister's daughter also.
Yes, ma'am.
Then brother's son.
Bhatruveha.
Brother means Bratra. Sister means Bhagini. So Bhagineyaha. Brother means Bratra. You know, you must have learned. Mera brother means we say no. Sahodaraha. Otherwise Brata. Bratra is the original Pratipadikam. Brata, Bratarao, Brataraha. They are all my brothers. So Brata, his son is known as Bratruvyah.
So there is I think there is a printing mistake here. They have given Bhatruveha, no Bra.
Bra, there should be, Ra should be there, no?
There should be there, no? Oh, it's a printing mistake.
I think so. Pitruvyah, Bratruvyah. Wait a minute. Here also I will see what my sir has written. See, you can see my screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Bratru.
Bhatruveha.
Can you look at that? You correct it in your book.
Yeah. I'll correct it.
Yeah, that's the only way. Bratruvyah. Then paternal grandfather. Paternal means father's. Here they have given paternal grandmother. Just grandmother is Mata Mahi, Pita Mahi, you know, correct? Father's mother is Pita Mahi. My father's mother to me is Pitaka Mahi. But her mother, when it comes to Prapita Mahi. Yes, Pitamahi, Prapitamahi. Aunt, father's sister. This is very important. Father is Pitra. Pitriyaha Bahini, Pitra Bahini. Bahini means sister. Father means Pitru. So Pitru Bahini is father's sister. That is aunt. In Tamil we call it Attai, we call it. Na?
Yeah, in Kannada also Atte. Sodaratte we call it.
Same thing. So Atta is Pitru Bhagini. Father's sister is Pitru Bhagini. And one more name they have given, Pitru Shwasaha. Shwasaha, that means also daughter, sister, like that. Shwasaha. So Pitru Shwasaha also father. That leave it one you learn enough. Pitru Bhagini. Similarly, mother's sister, Chitti, Chita, like that we call, no? Mother's sister. That is Matru Bhagini. Mother is Matru Bhagini. Matru Bhagini. Daughter's daughter, Dauhitri. Granddaughter, that is son's daughter. Son's daughter is Pautri. So her daughter is Prapautri. Once on Pra, if you add, you go one extra step. Either top or bottom, doesn't matter. It is the next generation, Pra. Okay. Sister-in-law, that is husband's brother's wife. We call it is co-sister in Tamil. No, so we call husband's brother's wife. What is her name? I don't have any relationship in Tamil for that. Yeah, husband's brother. That is Devaraha. Devrani we call it. No.
Devrani, correct.
That is equal to Yata.
Okay. Oh, Orgitti. In Kannada we call Orgitti.
Okay. Yes, yes. Tamil also Orakati, correct. அப்புறம் husband, sister. Sister-in-law we call, no? Nananda. Nananda.
Nananda.
Then
Not.
stepmother, Vimata. Mata is
Vimata.
mother, Vimata is stepmother. That's all.
Okay.
These are all the relationship we have to go through. Now, Samasya. Samasya means riddle, you know that. I will
Chata
tell you.
shloka. Chata shloka, ma'am.
It will come next.
Okay.
In this, how they have put it, I don't know. It is there, right?
Ah,
One by one we will see. It is somewhere. I'll have to move through it.
Okay.
One by one we'll go. So, Samasya. In Samasya, in this book, what they have given, can you read it from your
Yeah,
book?
I can read. Varshasaikam dinam Gauri Pativatram na pashyati.
They will give only the first line, okay? That is the Samasya. Somebody will come and tell you, in a year, one day, Parvati will not look at the face of Shiva. That's the first line ka meaning. I will make a pada, you write down whatever pada vibhaham I have written here. Unless you write it, it will be difficult for you.
Yeah,
Okay, I will tell you. Varshas yaikam. There is a sandhi there. Varshasya ekam. This is a samasa padam. Varshasya ekam. It has become Varshas aikam. A plus A is I. You know Vriddhi Sandhi. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So Yaikam it has become. Varshasya plus Ekam. Yala Akaram is there. Ekam. Both joined together. Vriddhi Sandhi. So Varshas Yaikam it has become. So Varshasya Ekam Dinam. Gauri. Pati. Vaktram. Vaktram means face. Mukam.
Okay.
Vaktram means Mukam. You can write down. Separate it first. Then only it will be easy for you to remember. Take your notebook. Because it is easy for you to remember them. So, Varshasya Ekam Dinam Gauri Pati Vaktram. Vaktram means within bracket Mukam Na Pashyati Na Drishyati. She will not see. In a year, Varshasya, in a whole year, Ekam Dinam, one day, Gauri, that Parvati Devi, Pativaktram, Patyaha face, that is Mukam, Na Pashyati. She will not see. What is the reason? This is the riddle. So you have to tell the reason is, can you read the next line? Bhadra
Shukla Chaturtham Chaturthyam Tu Chandra Darshana Shankaya.
Shankya. Yeah, Kaya.
Oh,
Correct.
it is.
So, what is the reason is, in a year, one day, one particular tithi comes. Chaturthi tithi. At that Chaturthi, Shukla Chaturthi tithi. That too, the month of Bhadra. So, Bhadra Shukla Chaturthi. That is when we are celebrating the Vinayak Chaturthi. We are celebrating.
Correct.
That day, if you look at Chandra means you know na Chandramas. What is Chandrama? If you look at it, you people will there will be some danger will happen to you. Because when Ganpati walked, Chandra looked at him and made fun of him. Ganpati is very different looking, no? So his stomach is very bulged and all. Chandra is very beautiful. So he looked at Ganpati and laughed at him. So that day is this Chaturthi Dinam. Then Ganpati told her, today if anybody looks at you, they will be getting the, that is name of a thief. This is a danger. Even Sri Krishna has to go through it. Sri Krishna, unfortunately, one day looked at Chandra. That dinam happens to be the Bhadra Shukla Chaturthi dinam. So this Shyamandaka Mani, you remember?
Yeah.
That Krishna has stolen. Like that, Satyabhama's father started fighting with him. Actually, Krishna did not steal. Somebody else. So like that, some unwanted thing will come to you. Problems. So That is the rule. That is Bhadra Shukla Chaturthi Dine. If you look at Chandra, there will be a problem to you. This is the second line. Then why Parvati is not looking at her husband then? Her husband is not
Because
Chandra.
because Shiva has a sun on his forehead. Sorry, moon. Moon
Moon,
on his forehead.
exactly. That is the problem. So Shiva has the moon on his head. So if you look at the face, naturally the head will naturally come into your eye view, and you end up looking at the Chandra, and you will get into trouble. So Parvati is so clever. On that day, even her husband's face, she doesn't look at it. So this is the samasya. So can you read this
Varshais. Yeah,
samasya once? You read it.
Varshaisaikam
That
dinam
is,
gau.
you separate it. Varshasya ekam only you write it.
Varshasya ekam dinam Gauri pativaktram na pashyati.
Hmm.
And that
Bhadra,
dinam will be Bhadra
Bhadra,
Shukla Chaturtham
hmm.
to Chandra Darshanam Shankya.
Sankhya. Sankhya means kidnap, danger, problem, something bad
Okay.
will happen to you. Sankhya means that is the meaning.
Mm.
So, Varshasya ekam dinam Gauri pativaktram na pashyati. In a year, one day, Gauri will not look at the face of her own husband, that is Shiva. Then next line simply says, Bhadra Shukla Chaturtiyam tu Chandra Darshanaha Shankya. Darshana Shankya. Darshanaha Visargam is there. So, Bhadra Shukla Chaturthi Dine. If anybody looks at Chandraha, the darshanam, if he gets it, some Shankya will happen to him. So, why this problem means that is a problem. That's whoever looks at Chandra on that day, they will get into some trouble. So, this is a samasya. The riddle is like this. What type of question will come in this, I don't know. But this is the thing. Next, as per my this thing, what is there, we will go. Subhashitam. Can you open the Subhashitam?
Yeah, ma'am. At least.
This already we did Anvayam last time. I have sent even the meaning, everything. But anyway, we will read it today. Read,
Sir, I
sir.
read Subhashitam.
Yes, sir.
Ashaya e dasaste dasas sarva lokasya asha esham dasi tesham dasayate lokah.
Now you can look at this file later on. I will copy and send it to you. You can look at it. But time being, in the book also, you do the Padachedaka. In your notebook also, you can write it. Ashaya. Asha is a strilingam.
Correct.
Okay.
And it is Ashaya means.
There is a Visargam is there. Ashayaha. Because of desire. Asha means desire. Ashayaha.
So it's Chaturthi Vibhakti, no?
No, sixth. Sita Yaha.
Okay.
Either Panchami or Shashti. Here it is Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay.
Due to of Asha, because of Asha, na Yaha Sabdam. Saha, whichever that person, Dasaha. Dasaha means what? Servant. No, he is my dasa, she is my dasi, like that we are telling, no? So dasa means servant. That person who is the servant of desire. Ashaya ye dasaha. That person who is the servant of desire, te, those persons, because Bahuvachanam, dasaha sarvalokasya, te, sarvalokasya dasaha. The entire world, they are servant. You are a servant of your desire, you become the servant of the entire world. Because you have desire, you will keep on begging people, I want this, I want this, I want this. So, Ashayaha ye dasaha, ye Ashayaha dasaha, te, those people, sarvalokasya dasaha. Entire world dasa. They will become the servant of the entire world. Second, Asha, that is desire, Yesham Dasi. Asha Srilingam. So, Asha, that desire, Yesham, those people for whom Dasi, she is a servant. They have such a control, Asha becomes their servant. Tesham, those people, dasayate lokaha. The entire world will become their servant because they have controlled their desire. They need not beg before anybody. The whole world will be praying to them. So, again, I will read Padachedam, you have seen. Anvayam, I will do. I told. Anvayam, you can write down your notebook. Ye Ashayaha Dasaha. Those people who are servants of the desires. Desire, singular. Okay, ye means plural. Those people, Ashayaha Dasaha, servants of the desire, they, Sarvalokasya Dasaha, they become the servant of entire world. Next line, Yesham, that is Asha, that is desire, Yesham Dasi, for whom she is the servant. Dasi is Strilingam, Asha is Dasi, for whom Yesham, those people. So, for those people for whom Asha is Dasi, okay, Tesham, Sashti Bhakti Bahuvachanam, for them, Lokaha Dasayate, entire world will become the servant. Okay. Tatparyam, it is there in the book also, no? Tatparyam is there in the book.
Yeah, the given breakup.
Okay. So we will read the Tatparyam. It is in English, but I have put it in Sanskrit also. Whatever you want, you can take it. But in English also, I think you can write it. In English,
No,
can you tell in your own words, you tell in English.
yeah, those who go after desires become slaves of the entire world,
Yes.
and those who don't chase desires, the desires will become their slave,
The whole world will become their slave.
their whole world. Okay.
The world. First, the world, he becomes the beggar of the whole world.
Whole world.
Second, the whole world becomes his servant. So, in English, those who are the slaves of desire are the slaves of the entire world. But those who have no desire, the whole world is under their control. The whole world becomes their servant means it is under their control. Even Sanskrit में तात्पर्यम है ये आशायाः दासाः सन्ति ते सर्वलोकस्य दासाः येषाम् आशा दासी अस्ति तेषां लोकः दासायते. Okay. Another one more Subhashita means.
One more is there.
This is very
Shall I
easy.
read?
Please read.
साधूनां दर्शनं पुण्यं तीर्थभूता हि साधवः. So Padachedam will be Sadhunam.
Fully read it. First fully read.
Okay. Sadhunam darshanam punyam tirthabhuta hi sadhavaha tirtham phalati tirtham phalati kalena sadyah sadhu samagamaha.
See, sadhunam darshanam. This is continuous. The sadhu means good people. Satpurushaha. That is what we mean. Sajjanaha, good people. Darshanam, facing, meeting them, seeing them. We go to so many people, no, to Sri Shankaracharya and all. So, sadhunam darshanam, punyam. It gives you a lot of good effect, punyam. Tirtha Buddha hi sadhavaha. Sadhu sabdatoda bahuvachanam sadhavaha. Sadhu, that is Guru Sabdam. Sadhu, sadhavaha. So, sadhavaha means bahuvachanam. So, sadhavaha, tirtha bhutaha. Tirtha bhutaha means those places of worship. We are going, no, Ganga, Kashi we go, Rameswaram we go. They are all tirtha bhutaha. Sadhavaha are like tirtha bhutaha. Why you go and visit Shankaracharya? Why do you go and visit the head of your matta? Because they are like Tirtha Bhutaka. They are like going to Kashi. They are like going to Vrindavanam. They are like going to Raghvendra matta, like that. So, Sadhavaha Tirtha Bhutaka. Sadhavaha are equal to Punya Kshetraha. Okay. But second line, Tirtham Phalati Kalena. Tirtham, that is the places like Kashi or Mathura, they are all Tirtham, that is places of visit, Punya Bhumi. Tirtham Palati, that also gives phalam. When you go to Kashi and come back, you get some good phalam, you get it. But Kalena, over a period of time, Kalena means not immediately. Over a period of time, when you go to Satya Sai Baba or Shirdi Sai Baba temple, you pray, over a period of time, definitely you get the palam. But not immediately, over a period of time. Sadhya means immediately. Just now, Sadhyaha, what happens? Phalati sadhu sangamam. Immediately you will get the phalam, that is the fruit when you go and meet the sadhu. The good people, when you personally go and meet your darshanam koti punyam, we are learning now, immediately you will get the phalam. So, I will read the Padachedam. Sadhunam Darshanam Punyam. Yes, it is very auspicious if you go and meet the good people. Tirthabhutaha hi sadhavaha. Sadhavaha tirthabhutaha hi. This he means certainly, like that. Kila, that's a one word, one letter. Generally, it is for emphasis, they will put it. So, sadhavaha, that is these good people, are tirtha bhutaha. They are like the punya bhumigal only. Tirtham phalati kalena. But all those punya bhumi, when you visit, you will get a phalam, but kalena, over a period of time. Sadhyaha, immediately. Sadhyaha means immediately. Sadhu sangamam. Sangamam means meeting. Milanam kartana, so milam. So sadhu sangamaha phalam dadati when sadhyaha, immediately, not kalena. This is the true. Now in English meaning is there. Can you read? Tatparyam?
It's written in Kannada, but I will translate.
Hmm.
By visiting
Hmm.
the holy places like
Hmm.
Kashi and all that,
Hmm.
we get good
Punyam.
karmam, punyam
Hmm.
over a
Hmm.
period of time.
Yeah.
But by meeting sadhu people or
Ah,
the holy people,
ah,
we get immediate
ah,
results,
ஆமா.
something like
Okay, in English, what is given in my book is
that.
people go on a pilgrimage,
Mm,
for it is considered holy, correct?
mm, mm, mm,
Meeting pious men, that is meritorious people, is also like visiting pilgrim centers only.
mm,
But perhaps, but the problem is going to pilgrimage gives the benefit over a period of time, after a long time,
mm,
maybe
mm,
the next birth also. But
mm,
the very sight of the pious men cleanses men of all sins and brings merit immediately.
mm,
Phalam here means merit.
mm,
It brings merit immediately. So if you look at the Tatparyam in Sanskrit, which is shown before you, Sajjananam darshanam, Tirtha darshana phala samanam bhavati. If you meet Sajjanaha, when you go to a pilgrimage, whatever be the phalam, they are samaha. They are same. You can go to Kashi or you can go to your guru's place also. Phalam samanam eva bhavati. Tirthanam darshanam kalena eva phalam dadati. If you go to Kashi or Kanyakumari, phalam asti. परंतु कालेन एव फलं ददाति परंतु साधूनाम् अर्थात सज्जनानां दर्शनं झटिति फलं ददाति झटिति मीन्स इम्मीडियट सद्यः झटिति so पर्याय पदम also you can note down. Then what is left out here? All we have covered. Here something you told me, I said later I will cover it. Chatu sloham, no?
Yeah, chat
I will
sloka.
see where it is. I must have omitted chatu sloham. So separately they have given. Let me see. This is Visheshana Vishesham has come. Just a minute. Okay, I will go down and see where it is.
It is okay, ma'am. If it comes, it's okay.
I have
Otherwise,
written everything.
okay. In my book, it is in page 11, just before Samasya.
Yeah. Sandhi, we all covered it. The page number I forgot to note down. Otherwise, it would have been easy. Because I was not sure. If everybody comes, I wanted to take Ikta Pratyayam. Sangraha Vishaya we have seen. Sandhi. Padachedam. Okay, from the book only I will read it. When it comes, later on I will post it to you. Only these three I have to post you now. Okay. Take the book, sir. Read the Chatu Sloham.
Yeah, ma'am. Yasya Shashti Chaturthi cha Vihasya cha Vihaya cha Yasyaham cha Dvitiya Syat Dvitiya Syamaham Katham.
So, what is the page number? I am not
11 page number.
11. Okay. Chart slow. Very yeah. See, one girl is there, one beautiful girl. Her father is trying for a nice boy to marry her. Okay, yeah. But the girl is very highly educated. She wants a boy who is good in education. That's the only condition she wants. So one boy comes to her to see her. She asks one small question and he has to answer correctly. If he answers correctly, she is educated. So she will marry him. This is the simple background. But now he talked to him and he says certain thing and he understands that he is not at all educated. He doesn't know anything. So she tells these words to her father. This Chatu Slokam means witty saying. Not directly saying, Ayo, I don't like this, this fellow is not at all educated, I cannot marry him. Like that, straight away she doesn't say. She quotes what she asked him and what he replied, and with what do you call it, satirically, she says, with such a person, how can I become the wife? That's the idea. Okay. Yasya Sashti Chaturthi cha Vihasya cha Vihaya cha. The question she asked is about vibhakti. Okay, yeah. If I ask you a question, what is the vibhakti of Vihasya? Vihasya is via lap pratyaya. Okay. V plus hasdatu plus ya. You know, no? Lap pratyayam we know.
Yeah,
Paditwa, if it is there, to avoid twa prapatya,
that
like
is
that we will say. Yeah, it is lap pratyayam. All the twa, lap pratyayam are, it is avyayam. They will never change. They don't have any vibhakti. Tumuna, lap, twa, these are all avyayani. So she asked a simple question. What is the vibhakti of vihasya? What should be the answer if he studied person? There it is an avyayam. It doesn't have it doesn't change as per vibhakti. It will be constantly vihasya only. That should be the answer. Because yeah, like TNC, it is a lap. Lap is a avyayam. Like that he should have answered. But looking at vihasya, he knows only Rama Sabdam. Okay. So Ramasya means what?
Ramasya means sixth, sixth
Shashti.
vibhakti. Shashti
Shashti
vibhakti.
Ekavachanam. So when she said, what is the vibhakti of Vihasya? This foolish fellow who knows only Rama Sabdam, he told it is Shashti. So she knows he is a foolish fellow. Then in order to again check him, she asked, what is Vihaya? Vihaya is again Lapu Pratyayam. Vi Upasargam plus Habdatu plus Ya. Vihaya means without, Vina. Ramam Vihaya Sita na Jivati. Okay. Jalam Vihaya or Vina Meena Vahana Jivati. Like that. Without that they cannot live. Like that we tell, no? So Vihaya means without that. It is a Avyayam. But he knows only Ramasabdam. So Ramaya means what? Chaturthi.
Fourth, Chaturthi
Chaturthi.
vibhakti.
Yeah, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya. Chaturthi, Ramasya, Ramat Panchami, Ramasya, Shashti, Rame. So he knows only Rama Sabdam. So he told Vihasya is Shashti, Vihaya is Chaturthi, he told. Because all he knows is only Rama Sabdam. Both are
Ram.
wrong. Both Avyayam, he said Shashti and Chaturthi. Again, she wanted to know what is the case ending, Vibhakti of Aham. Aham, you know, Asmad Sabdam. What is the Vibhakti? Aham, Avam, Vayam. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Aham is always
Ashmad Shabdam.
Asmad Sabdasya Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. But this fellow only knows Ram Sabdam. So Ramam. Aham is equal to Ramam. So he told Dudya Vibhakti. So she now understood he is a foolish fellow who doesn't know anything except Rama Sabdam. So Vihasya he thought Ramasya, Vihaya he thought Ramaya, Aham he thought Ramam. So he kept on telling Shashti, Chaturthi and Dutiya.
Dvitiya.
Ramam is Dutiya, so Aham is Dutiya. Like that he foolishly told. That after hearing that she told, to such a person, she tells her father, how can I be the Dutiya? Once his wife is second, no? Husband first, wife. How can I become the Dutiya to the fellow who says Aham is Dutiya? This is the joke. Okay, now you are also laughed. That means Shatu Sloka. So, Yasya Shashti, Chadurti cha, Vihasya cha, Vihaya cha. Yeah, this fellow says, Vihasya is Shashti, Vihaya Chaturthi. Not only that, yes, Aham. Yaha, Aham. Aham is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Aham cha Dutiya. He told Aham is what? Ramam he thought, so Dutiya. Aham cha Dutiya Syat. He told these are the correct things. Dutiya, okay, Syam, Aham, Katam. For him, Aham, me, Dutiya, wife. In that way, this Dutiya is not a Dutiya Bhakti, wife. Katam, how can I become the wife of such a foolish fellow? But she never told he is foolish. He never told, but you see what mistake he made, she is put it in the form of a nice poem. Yasya Shashti Chaturthi cha Vihasya cha Vihayaka cha. Yes, yes means yaha, okay. Yasya aham cha Dutiya Syat. Syat is Vidilingam of Asmat Asti Sabdam. Asdatu, you know, no? Asti. Tasya Vidilingam. Pattadatuka Patet. Similarly, Asdatuka Syat. So how can I become the wife Adutiya? Okay, Aham Syam. Syam is Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Vidilinga. So how can I become the wife of this person? Katam. How can I become the Dutiya of this person who says Aham is Dutiya, Vihasya is Sashti, Vihaya is Chaturthi? I cannot. That's all. Okay, how can I become a second Dutiya to him, that is a wife to him? He who declares that Vihasya and Vihaya are in Sashti and Chaturthi Vibhakti and Aham is in the Dutiya Vibhakti. He is foolish, he knows only Rama Sabdam, I cannot marry him. So we have seen all Chatu Slokam, Samasya,
Pad,
Subhashitam. Anything left?
Padasangraha. Padasangraha.
Pada Sangraha also we have seen. Now Kavya Kada. Okay. This in Kavya Kada, only questions will be there at the back of the book. For that, you should know the answer. When I studied at your this one, Parichaya, I will write in my own Tamil or English or Kannada, whatever you like, who are the characters and what is the story in that particular thing. They may ask you ERC, who said when, what, and what is the Tatparyam. Probably. Or what is there in the book only, the question will come. Now, you will read line by line and try to understand. Okay, once that is through, we can finish.
Shall I read, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Please start.
Dileepaha Suryavamshasya Nrupaha.
Yeah.
Shall I tell the meaning also?
Yeah, English.
Dilipaha, Prathama Vibhakti. Dilipa is that person. Nrupaha means king.
Yes.
He is the king of Surya Vamshasya. It's a Shashti Vibhakti.
Yeah.
So he is the king of Surya Vamsha, and his name is Dilipaha. Tasya Sutaha Raguhu. Tasya means the
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
His Sutaha Putraha.
Tad Shabda, no? Tad Shabda. Sutaha means son. His son is Raghu.
Raguhu.
Raguhu. Raghu Rajaha Prasiddhaha. The king Raja.
Khyataha. Famous.
Khyataha. Very famous Raja.
Kirtiman also you can write. Kirtiman. Raghu Rajaha Prasiddhaha atava Kirtiman.
Ataha Ayam Vamshaha Raghu Vamshaha iti Khyataha. Because of his...
Ataha means therefore.
Therefore. Ayam Vamshaha.
This. Ataha, therefore, I am this Vamshaha, this dynasty is known as Raghu Vamshaha. Famous as Raghu Vamsham.
Ayam is Avayam, madam?
No, Ayam means this. It's a Sabdam, sir. Ayam, Ime.
Okay. Correct.
Ayam, Imo, Sarvanama Sabdam. Idam Sabdasya Pullinga Rupam Ayam.
Correct.
This Raghu, this Vamshaha, this dynasty is known as Raghu Vamshaha because of the famous of the Raghu. Next.
Raghu Vamshe Vaivaswatam Manuhu Prathamaha Purushaha.
So who is the first person who came in this Vamsa means the Manu. Manusmriti we are having now. He only wrote the Manus. What are the rules we are supposed to follow? That Manu Raja, he was the first person in that Raghu Vamsa. Raghu is the son of Dilipa. You know that now. This is a very big, this story we learn. How Ganga came into the world is Bahirada Prayatanam, we call it. One fellow called Bahiratan. He only brought that Ganga. So his son is Dilipa. Dilipa's son is Raghu. Raghu's son is Ajan. Ajan's son Dasaratha. Dasaratha's son Rama. Like that the dynasty goes, Raghu Vamsam. So Raghu is that is why Rama famous name is Raghava. Raghu Apatyambama. He comes in that dynasty, Rama. So even Lakshmana is Raghava only because they are all coming in the dynasty. But by Rudi, in our usually we say Raghava means Rama. That's all. So this Raghu Vamsha's the first person name is Vaivaswata Manuhu. Vaivaswata Manuhu. This you have to mug up because the question, but go to the back of the book. Okay. Surya Vamshasya Raghu Vamshaha iti Kutaha Prasiddhaha. That's the question. So mark the answer with the pencil in the book. Okay. Surya Vamshasya Raghu Raja Prasiddhaha. Raghu Raja Prasiddhaha. Ataha Ayam Vamshaha Surya Vamse Raghu Rajaha Prasiddhaha.
The question is, who is the famous king of Surya Vamsha? Is that correct?
No, question is no. Find Surya Vamshaha, Raghu Vamshaha, iti Kutaha Prasiddhaha. Why do you call Surya Vamsam as Raghu Vamsam? You don't say Surya Vamsam at all. You keep on saying Raghu Vamsam. Why it is so famous as Raghu Vamsam? Because Surya Vamshasya Rajaha, who Raghu Raja. Okay, Surya Vamshasya Raghu Rajaha Prasiddhaha. Ataha Ayam Vamshaha Raghu Vamshaha idi Prasiddhaha. Because that Raja is so famous in that Vamsa, instead of calling it as a Surya Vamsam, people started calling as a Raghu Vamsam. Because Raghu Raja, Surya Vamsasya Prasiddhaha Raja, Raghu Raja. Ataha Ayam Vamshaha, this Vamsa is called Raghu Vamshaha. First question answer you have to write down. Second, now read further. So first take the pencil. Raghu Vamshasya, you mark it. Raghu Raja Prasiddhaha. These three words you mark it. Then Ataha Ayam Vamshaha Raghu Vamshaha iti Kyataha Naito Prasiddhaha. This is the question number 1. Question number 2 we will come to it. Read.
Dilipah Prajavatsalah Asit. King Dilipa was
very friendly to the Vassalaha. Vassa means friendly. Yeah. He is very
fond of his citizens. Sudakshina Tasya Patni. His wife's name is
Sulakshina. Remember.
Sudakshina.
Sudakshina. Spelling and all write several times, then only you will remember. Sudakshina. Sudakshina Dilipasya Patni. Dilipasya Putraha Raghu. Dilipasya Patni Sudakshina.
Dilipah Bahukalam Putra Rahitah Asit. For a long time he did not have children.
Rahitaha means without. Vihaya. Vina. Rahitaha means without. So Putra Rahitaha. He Bahukalam, for a long time he did not have any children.
Ataha Saha Chinta Krantaha Abhavat.
So he is Dukkita Bhabavat. He is very sad. Because for a king it is very important to have children so that the dynasty can go on. So he is Dukkita Abhavat. So he is Chinta Krantaha means Chinta Krantaha means Kinna, Dukkita. Like that there are a lot of Chinta Kulaha. Akulaha also equal to sadness. Abhavat.
So Vasishtaha Dilipasya Acharyaha.
So Dilipasya Guruhu Vasishtaha.
Dilipaha Vasishtham Drushtum Samplitavan.
Sankalpitavan.
Oh, Sankalpitavan.
Sankalpitavan. Each word separate it and read it. Because this is a new language, you have to take our own time. So, Dilipaha, the Raja Dilipaha, Vashishtam, Dujya Bhakti Ekavachanam. To see Vashishta Guruhu, Drashtum you said, Drashtum. Dhatu, Dhatu. But you have to say Drashtum. Drashtum is Tuman Pratyaya. Okay? Drashtum Sankalpitavan, Nischayitavan. So he decided. Nischitavan, Ishchitavan, Sankalpitavan. These new words you have to learn, then only our vocabulary will go up. So Dilipaka, what he decided, he doesn't have children for a long time. So naturally Guru only can help him. So he goes to Vashishtam. He goes and sees the Vashishta Bhagavan.
Ataha Saha Sachiveshu Rajabharam Nikshiptavan.
Sachiveshu, 7th Ubhati, 7.3, Bhagavachanam. Sachiveshu, Sachivaha means Mantri. So, Mantri, there are a lot of ministers will be there, no? So, Nikshiptavan, actually ship dhatu means to throw. Generally, stone, you want to throw a stone, you will shipati, you say. Here, Nikshiptavan means he put the bharam of the kingdom on their head. That means you people look after. Called all the Mantrinaha, Mantrinaha. He called all the ministers and gave the Rajabharam to them. Because he wanted to go and see the Vashta Bhagavan. He said, now you take care of running the Raja. I will come back. I am going to see my Guru. Then I will take care. Okay. So, Ataha, therefore, Saha, Dilipaha, Sachiveshu, that is on the ministers, Rajasya Bharam, Nikshiptavan, he put it on their head. You people look after. It is not physically putting some stone on their head. Telling this Raja Bharam, run the Rajyam, like that he gave them the this. Next.
Sudakshina Sahitaha Vasisthashramam gatavan.
Sahitaha means along with. Sudakshina Sahitaha, along with Sudakshina, Vashishta Ashramam, Vashishtasya Ashramam, Vashishtarudaya Ashramam, Gatavan. He went to Vashishtasya Ashramam along with the Sudakshina.
Tatra Nrupaha Vasisthaya Swachintam Niveditavan.
Tatra, there, seventh, Tatra, you know, this is Avyayam actually. Tatra means Kutra na Tatra, where Vasishtasya Ashrame, Nirupaha, Raja, Vashishtaya, to, this is Chaturthi Bhakti. To Vasishtaha, what he told, Swachintanam, Tasya Dukasya Karanam. I don't have any child, no, that is his Chintanam. Swa, Swa means original, Nija, Tasya. Sasya Chintanam Niveditavan. Vadati, actually, he told only, okay, Uktavan only. But Nivedita means more respectful. Nivedanam Kirtavan. With great Vinayam, he told him like that. Vinayena Saha Uktavan, so Niveditavan. It's a beautiful word. So Niveditavan, Nivedanam Kirtavan, Niveditavan. So he goes to Vashishta Maharishi and tells his Chintanam. I am worried because I don't have a child for a long time, like that.
Yeah. 1 minute. I'm just writing.
But take your time.
Yeah. Kutaha mama santatihi nasti.
Why I don't have a child? Kutaha means, actually, Kutaha means from where? Fifth,
Kutaha is
Panchami Vibhakti. Kutaha is Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. Kim Shabdasya Panchami Vibhakti Kutaha. Usually the meaning is from where, like that. Panchami is always no from the vriksham phalam padati, like that. So what here from where doesn't come. Kutaha here means what is the reason? From which reason I am not getting my child?
Okay.
So kutaha from that why Panchami to there must be some reason. From which reason is making me not to get a child? Like that he is asked. Kutaha mama santatihi nasti. Santati means putraha. Putra, putri, all together is santati. Santanam we know na in Tamil also. So santatihi nasti. Iti prashnam kritavan. Prashna means question. So he asked a question. Iti prashnam kritavan.
Vasishtaha karanam achintayat.
Achintayat, past tense. Chinta dhatu achintayat. He thought about what is the reason. Like that, Vasishtaka, he is a great jnani. He can see anything, past, present, future, everything he can see. So he thought about it. What is the reason why this fellow is not having a child? Achintayat. Otherwise, chintitavan.
Chintitavan, it is a top.
Achintayat also you can say, or chintitavan.
Krudanta pratyaya.
Yes.
But chintayat is lang lakaram.
Yes.
Acharya akathayat.
Katitavan. Acharya, he told.
Akathayat.
Kat dhatu means told.
Okay, akathayat. Again it is lang lakaram.
Lang abravit. You can say abravit also. Told. Acharya uktavan. Akathayat.
Uktavan is a kradanta rupam.
Yes. Generally, kradanta rupam you can easily use.
One. Nrupa, tvam kadachit swargam gatavan.
Raja, kadachit, sometime, exactly which time he is telling kadachit, sometime back, swargam gatavan, you went to the swarga. In those days, Indra will call big rajas and ask them to help him to fight the Danavas and Rakshasas. Even Dasaratha went to many times to Indra and helped him fight the Rakshasas.
Correct.
That was the relationship in those days. Even big Raja like Raghu, these people, Raghu went to, decided to fight with Kubera to give a dakshina to the one Munivar. Immediately Kubera gave all the money to him. Like that, there are a lot of stories where these fellows, just like that, we go to Himalayas, these fellows will go to even that Indra's place and come back. In those days, it's not possible. So
Mm,
he
mm,
says, once upon a time, long, long ago, you went to Swargam.
mm,
Hmm.
mm, mm. Correct. तत्र त्वं देवेन्द्रं सेवितवान्.
Hmm. So
सेवितवान्.
there you worshipped, they say Vitavan means you helped us, save Dhatu. You helped him and then you worshipped him and you came back. Hmm.
Mm. ततः त्वं प्रत्यागतवान्.
Hmm.
After that you
Prati
came back.
Agatavan. After that, Tataha means after that,
Mm,
from there.
mm,
Fifth vibhakti. Tataha
mm,
means from there,
mm,
Tvam, you, Prati Agatavan. You came back.
mm.
Pratyagatavan. This is Yan Sandhi.
प्रत्या प्रति आगतवान्. प्रति
Hmm.
ई प्लस अ. हाँ, या करेक्ट. एंड संधि.
Pratyagatavan.
करेक्ट.
Hmm.
तदा मार्गमध्ये कामधेनुः आसीत्.
Hmm. So at that time, Marga Madhye, in the middle of the road. Margam means Panta, that is road. In the middle of the road, Kamadenu Asit. Kamadenu is a very special cow. That is, whatever you want, she can give. She is the Loka Mata, but she is highly respected by everybody. She is sitting under a tree in the middle of the road. Kamadenu Asit. She was there. Hmm.
सा कल्पवृक्षस्य छायायाम् आसीत्.
There is one another important tree, Devaloka tree, which is known as Kalpa Vriksham.
कल्पवृक्ष.
That Vriksham also, whatever you want, it can give you. Kalpa Vriksham. Under that tree, this Kamadenu, who is also can give you whatever you want, he is resting in the middle of the road. There is a tree, below that she is sitting. The tree is also Kalpa Vriksham. She is also Kamadenu. These people are, whatever you ask, they will give. And they are sitting there when he is Prati Agatavan, when he is coming back. When he is
छायायाम.
back from
छाया.
Swarga, in
छाया
the
is a
road they are
स्त्रीलिंग.
sitting. Hmm.
छाया is स्त्रीलिंगम.
Chaya is
छायायाम
Strilingam. Yeah, Chaya means shadow. Strilingam.
shadow.
Hmm.
छायायाम
Surya
is with.
Patni ka naam bhi Chaya, you remember?
हम्म हम्म हम्म
Yeah,
हम्म.
Chaya. But it's because Chaya means shadow. That Chaya was created from the Usha. That is original lady is
संज्ञा संज्ञा.
the Sandhya. Usha also in Tamil we call it.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ हाँ
She is
हाँ.
unable to tolerate the heat of Surya, so she creates
हम्म
her own Chaya.
हम्म
That's
हम्म
why she is,
हम्म.
the other woman is known as Chaya. So
करेक्ट
here
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
Chaya means nothing but shadow. So under
shadow.
the shadow of the Kalpa Vriksham, this
हम्म
Madam Kamadenu is sitting, resting.
हम्म
Hmm.
हम्म. No, I'm asking, ma'am. This छायायाम is चतुर्थी विभक्ति.
No, Sitayam.
सीतायाम. सीता सीतायाः.
Sitayaha,
सीतायाम.
Sitayaha, Sitayam. Seventh vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti.
Okay.
On the shadow. It is in and on, seventh vibhakti. She is
7.1.
sitting under the shadow, no, on the shadow of that tree. Chayayam asit.
Okay. Under the.
Hmm.
Okay. 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 त्वं कामधेनुं न दृष्टवान्.
There's a
दृष्ट.
problem. He is coming back from Swargam. The Kamadhenu is sitting, but Tvam, you, na drishtavan. You did not see Kamadhenu. Because Kamadhenu is a Deva Mata. Whatever, everybody will worship her. But this fellow did not even see her. When you don't see, will you say Namaste? You cannot say no. So he never bowed before her also. He is simply like a
Okay.
big king, he is moving out. So, Tvam Kamadenum na drishtavan. You did not see her. Hmm.
न च नमस्कृतवान्.
Naturally, you did not see. How will you do namaskaram? So, therefore, namaskaram abhi na kritavan. He did not bow before her. Hmm.
कामधेनुः कुपिता अभवत्.
Kupitaha kupita kupitam. Kupita means anger. Strilingam na Kamadenuho. Ataha kupita. She got very angry. Kamadenuho kupita abhavat. Saha dilipaha namaskaram na kritavan. तत् कारणात् कामधेनुः कुपिताः अभवत्. She became very angry.
Kupitam is Napumsakalingam.
Look, this kupitaha is pullingam only.
Kupita is
But this
Pullinga.
is ikta pratyayam. Kupitaha, kupita, kupitam. She became angry. This is a past tense. Ikta pratyayam. Kamadhenuhu kupita asti. Asti. Abhavat.
Abhavat.
Asit ilana abhavat.
Shapam Dattavati.
That's all. She gave what?
Oh.
Shapam.
Mm.
Shapam, you know, na Tamil also shapam only we say. She
Mm.
gave a curse.
Mm.
What is the
Ata.
curse? You will not get putra. You will not get a child. That's a
Oh.
curse.
Okay.
Shapam dattavati. Ataha.
Tava santatihi nasti.
Therefore, you don't have children. So there is a shapam. It's from that Kamadhenu. She was so angry. She said, "You will not get santati." That's why he is not having a santati. Next.
Tasyaha santati pujaya.
Pujaya. Pujaya is lot lakaram. Do. Okay.
Oh, lot
Lot
lakaram.
lakaram. Gacha. Pujaya. It is lot lakaram. Tasyaha. Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu is there now. Kamadhenoho. Avaludaya. Tasyaha. Of that Kamadhenos. Tasyaha is your sixth vibhakti. 6.1. Here Tasyaha, that Tasya refers to Kamadhenu. Kamadhenoho santatim. Tasya, that Kamadhenoho santati means putraha or putri. Kamadhenu has got one putri. Her name is
Nandini.
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 So that putri is with Vasishtha. Vasishtha is growing up in Vasishtha's ashramam. So Vasishtha gives one remedy. He says, you have got a sabam. How to get over it? Kamadhenoho santatim pujaya. You do the puja for Kamadhenu santati. That is Nandini.
Tada tava santanaha bhavishyati
Bhavishyati.
iti.
Tada, then. Tada means then. Tava, your. Santanaha bhavishyati. You will get a lot of children. If you do the puja of the santati of Kamadhenu, you will get santati. That's the only way out because you are under the curse of Kamadhenu. So go and do. Kamadhenu is not there now. Who is there? Her putri is there. Kamadhenu Dhanoho putri Nandini is in the ashramam of Vasishtha Maharishi. He says, go and do the puja to her and appease her. If the child is happy, mother will become happy. So the shabam will go away. Then only you will get the children. Now come back to the question. Dilipasya acharya kaha.
दिलीपस्य आचार्यः वसिष्ठः.
Over. Next. Nirpaha swargam kam sevitavan.
नृपः स्वर्गे कं सेवितवान्. नृपः स्वर्गे देवेन्द्रं
Devendram. Tasya
देवेन्द्रं
Dvidya Vibhakti Devendram. Kam vanda Sira Dvidya Vibhakti you put it. Kam is Dvidya Vibhakti, no? Kaha.
करेक्ट
So
करेक्ट.
Devendram Sevitavan. He met Devendra there. Nandini ka. Who is
नंदिनी
Nandini?
नंदिनी कामधेनोः पुत्री.
Correct. Mandir Kamadhenoho Putri. Now next, after reading only last question you can answer.
दिलीप अच्छा ओके आई रीड. ओके. नृपः
Dilipah Prishtavan.
அங்கீகிருத்தவான். He
What?
agreed.
No, அங்கீகிருத்தம் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒன்று இருக்கு இல்லையா?
So one minute.
दिलीपः पृष्टवान् शापवाक्यं मया न श्रुतं कुतः इति.
Oh, sorry, I jumped.
He says Shapavakyam. That is the Shapasya Vakyam. That sentence, Maya na Shrutam. It was not heard by me. Na Shrutaha. I did not hear. Yeah. So Maya na Shrutam. It is Karmani Rupam. Tritya Maya na Shrutam. I did not hear why. Shapasya Vakyam, I did not hear Kutaha, why it is so? He asked.
Acharya Akathayat.
Uktavan, Acharya told.
Langlakara. Ganga Pravaha Asit.
Ganga was in Pravaham. She is in the spate. Ganga is running with such a loud noise. Ganga Pravaha Asit. Ganga is running with loudly. She is going. Ataha Tat Na Shrutam. In that sound, you never heard
Oh.
Shapa of this man. Kamadeni.
Drupaha Apruchan. Apruchat.
Aprachat.
Apruchat.
Aprachat is nothing but he again told.
Langlakara. Idanim karomi iti.
Now what to do? Idanim, now kim karomi, what should I do? He has got a shapam. Now he is asking Idanim kim karomi. Now what should I do? Because he told Tava Sandadim Pujaya Tasyaha. That is, you go and puja. He doesn't know anything. Who is Nandini Indri name and all, he did not tell. No, Tasyaha Sandadim Pujaya. I mean, like that he told. So he asking, now what should I do? He is asking.
Vasishtaha avadat. Ashrame Nandini asti. Sa Kamadhenoho putri.
Now only Raja comes to know who is Nandini. All think Vasishta has one cow, that's all. Nobody knows she is the illustrious Nandini who is the daughter of Kamadhenu. Vasishta is so powerful. So he says, in my house, Nandini is there. Everybody knows Nandini is the name of the cow. But who she is? She is Kamadhenu Putri. That nobody knows. Today only he comes to know.
Tam Pujaya.
Pujaya is Lotlakaram. Pratama Madhyama Purusha Ekavarchanam. You do the puja of that Kamadhenoho Putri. That is Nandini. Okay. Tam. Avalai, that girl, that Srilingam na Kamadhe, Nandini. So Tam Pujaya. You do the puja of that girl.
Vanya Jeevanam Achara.
Achara. Achara also lot lakaram. Tvam achara. You follow this. What? Vanya Jeevanam. Vanasya Jeevanam. Vanya means you have to live in the Vana because Kamadhenu. Sorry. Nandini has to roam around, no, to eat and all. Raja cannot sit in his palace and send a servant. No use. So he says, you have to follow Achara, you have to follow Vanya Jeevanam. You have to live in the Vanam and do the service to Nandini.
Anugraha Bhavishyati iti.
Anugraham, you know, na? Anugraham means the sapam will be removed. Her anugraham, her daya, you will get it. So by her kripa, the shapam will be removed and you will get santati. Anugraha, because if you are going to worship the daughter, naturally the mother will be happy. So she will say, okay, that fellow did not hear because Gangayaha Pravaha Bahut Shabdam Karoti, no? Ataha he did not hear. It's okay, she will remove. Anugraham Dadati.
Nrupaha Angi Krutavan.
He agreed. Angi Kritavan means he said, okay, I'll do it. That is why he already gave the Raja Bharam to the Sachivaha. He told all his mantris, you look after my kingdom. So now he has agreed. Then.
Nrupaha, sorry, Kshamata. Saha Parnashalayam Vasam Akarot.
So from the big palace, now he has come to the Vanam because he told Vanya Jeevanam Achara, he has told. So in the Vanam, he has made a Parnashala, Parnanam, because Parnam means, leaves. With the leaves and everything, he has made a Shala. Shala means a room-like thing, house. Parnashala, no, where the sadhus live. So he made a Parnashala.
Kutiram or hut.
And he started living there. Vasam Akarot. He made a Parnashala in the forest, in the Vanam, and he started living there.
सुदक्षिणा अपि तत्रैव स्थिता.
तत्रैव तत्र एव
एव
वृद्धिसन्धि
ध्यानिसन्धि
तत्र प्लस्
वृद्धिसन्धि
एव
वृद्धिसन्धि
तत्रैव वृद्धिसन्धि
तत्र प्लस्
सुदक्षिणा आल्सो अपि मीन्स् आल्सो
आल्सो
सुदक्षिणा आल्सो तत्र एव स्थिता शी आल्सो stood with him she also lived in the parnashala
नृपः राजवैभवम् अत्यजत्.
त्यजति त्यक्तवान् त्यक्तं means
त्यक्तवान्.
त्यज dhatu means sacrificed left it all the raja vaibhavam that if he is raja what so many things no he will have all the facilities of the raja vaibhavam he tyaktavan he sacrificed he is now following vanya this one that is acharati he follows the vanya jeevanam
कुशानां शयते
शयने
सुप्तः. शयने
शयने सुप्तः
सुप्तः.
शयने shayanam means the cot kusha means kusha you know no kusha is one
Grass.
of trinam
Grass.
grass so kusha grass la shayanam he made like a cot and
Okay.
suptaha means sleeping swap
He
dhatu
slept on the grass bed.
yes he slept on the bed made up of grass kusha grass kusha will be very sharp it will be cutting your body everywhere such a big king with such a big palace he is doing vanya acharanam he is living a parnashala and no bed kuch nahi he is sleeping on the bed made up of kusha grass
प्रातः काले
pratah kale jivamuli
प्रातः जीवमूल्य प्रातः काले धेनुं सुदक्षिणा सहितः पूजितवान्.
along with the sudikshna sahitaha means along with the sudikshna what did he do in the early morning pratak kale early morning denum that is nandinim sudikshna saha pujitavan pujanam kritavan he did the puja for nandini in the early morning
नंदिनी वनम अगच्छत्.
Nandini went to forest because these cows they want to do that
Graze.
all those things. So she goes to the vanam. Then
नृपः ताम अनुगतवान्.
Anugatavan. The Raja goes behind her. He is such a nice person. He is a very big king, highly respected all over the world. Raghu Vamsasya king. Just because he doesn't have a child, he goes to this Vasishtha. Guru tells it is because of the Shapa. And he sacrifices everything and goes to the Vana. And there one small calf is there, Nandini. That is Kamadhenu's Putri. She aramse goes to the vana because it is after all a calf. It goes to the vana, just vanam charati. He goes behind her because he knows Kamadhenu's putri, no? So now Nandini is like the queen. He is quietly going behind her. And wherever she goes, he will go behind her. He will never take a stick and tell, no, 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 don't go there, go here, like that. No, he will never tell. He will go behind. Wherever she goes, he go behind her, worship her. When she comes back, he will do all the service to her. Pujanam karoti. Whatever nice food, trinam she wants, he will pick up and give it to her. And he is taking care of Nandini as if his own daughter, like that. So much love and affection. It is not that like normal gopas, what they will do, they will have a stick in their hand and say, go here. No, 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 don't go. Nothing like that. He goes behind her. Wherever she goes, he will go behind her. So, read.
नृपः ताम अनुगतवान्. जागरूकः धेनुम् एकविंशतिदिवनानि दिनानि सेवितवान्. एकविंशति 21 days.
Jagrataya. Jagrata means with great care. Now, even in Tamil, be careful, we say, no. Jagrata, be careful. So, Jagarukaha means with great carefulness. Dhenum and that Nandinim, that cow, Eka Vimshati Dinani, 21 days, Sevitavan. He worshipped her for how many days?
21 days.
Now, last question. दिलीपः कति दिनानि नन्दिनीं सेवितवान्?
दिलीपः
एकविंशतिदिनानि.
एकविंशतिदिनानि
अदा
सेवितवान्.
आन्सर्. Okay.
Very easy.
No, this question only hardly 5 questions. In the book, this you have to read. As you read only, our knowledge will increase. But the answer you can write down. This question only will come in the exam. That is very easy.
Anvaya Krama you already done, I think.
Already we have done. Just we will read it because this entire lesson we can finish now. After that, nothing is there.
Yeah.
Anuvada Pradeepaha. Sandhi we have completed.
Mm.
And with that, the question answer I will send you. Whatever questions are there in the book behind it, that also you have to give answer. I have answer also for that. Okay. Yeah, for each lesson, whatever questions are at the end of I will give you the questions. You write the answer.
Okay.
I will send you the answer. You cross verify.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now read this. Kujantam.
पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्.
So Vande means Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. That is the verb here. Okay. So Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam means what should be the Kartrupadam? Aham eva. Aham Vande. Aham is not there. So put Aham in bracket before Vande. Okay. Aham Vande. Whom you are going? Come Aham means me. I worship. Whom you are worshipping? Come Vande.
वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्.
Valmiki Kokilam. Valmiki iti Kokilam. Valmiki eva Kokilam. Kokilam means a beautiful bird which will sing very well. So there is a poet called Valmiki. And here Valmiki is like Kokilam, he says. He doesn't say. He says Valmiki is Kokilam.
Oh.
Kokilam. So much. This is a Upama, very famous Upama Vakyam. This is. So Valmiki is Kokilam Iva, like that he doesn't say. Valmiki eva Kokilam. Valmiki only is a Samstapadam. Okay, Aham Vande. Aham Kam Vande. Aham Valmiki Kokilam Vande. That Valmiki, who is a Kokilam, who is the most sweetest singing bird, Aham Vande. What that Kokilam is doing? Kujantam. It is singing. Kujantam means that
Singing.
The bird's voice is known as Kujati. Kujati means it is singing. Okay, Kujantam, that which Kokilam which is singing. What it is singing? Rama, Rama, iti. Rameti is Rama, Rama, iti. That's Kokilam, that is the Valmiki Kokilam, is Kujantam. What word it is telling? Rama, 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 iti eva Kujantam. And that Rama, Rama, how it is? Madhuram.
Madhuram.
Very sweet. Madhuraksharam. That word is no Rama. That Aksharam also very sweet. To hear also it is very sweet. Sorry. Somebody is calling. So Madhuram, Madhuraksharam.
Madhuraksharam.
Every Akaram, Akaram, Ikaram, they are all Aksharani, correct? So these Rama is the Ra and Ma is Madhura Aksharam. And to hear it is very much Madhuram, very sweet.
Very sweet.
And where it is sitting, Aruhya is a Lapu Pratyam. Okay. Aruhya means Ruhudatu, sitting on something, having sat. Aruhya Lap. Having sat, where it is sitting, Shakam. Shakam means one branch of something. What is that tree? It is sitting on the branch of a tree. Shakam. That Kokilam is sitting on Shakam. And what is that tree? Kavita. That is a poem. Poem itself he is describing as a Kavita, as a Shakam. Okay. There is a tree, and in that Shaka is one branch of that. In that branch, this Kokila is sitting. The Kokilam is Valmiki. The Shakam is Kavitayaha Shakam. That is, the poem itself is described as the Shakam. So, and it is always saying Rama 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 iti, and that Kokilam Aham Vande. I pray to that Valmiki Munihi, who is described as the Kokilam, who is sitting on the Shaka of Kavita. Kavita Shaka, Kavita, that Shaka's name is Kavita. And he is sitting there, Aru here, climbing on that, and what it is doing, it is always Kujantam. What it is telling, Rama Rama iti, always Rama Rama Rama, like that here. And that to hear that Kujantam is so sweet, it is Maduram, and the Aksharams are Maduraksharam. So Kujantam Rama Rameti Maduram Maduraksharam Aryuhya Kavita Shakam Vande Valmiki Kokilam. Valmiki is the cuckoo. Perched on the branch of poetry. Kavita Shakam, branch of poetry. Perched, Aruhya. The cuckoo is melodiously cooing. The name of Rama. Rama Nama itself is very sweet. I bow to the cuckoo in the form of Valmiki. Over. Next one, read it. Time is there? Another 3 minutes.
Yeah, I will finish.
Ikshvaku.
Ikshvaku Vamsha Prabhavo Ramo Nama Janaihi Shrutaha Niyatatma Mahaviryo Dhrutiman Vashi.
See, Ikshvaku Vamshasya Prabhavaha. Prabhavaha means Kyataha, Kirtiman. Ikshvaku Vamsam is Surya Vamsam, Raghu Vamsam. Raghu Vamsaha, Ramaha. Go on I told you, you put a Visargam there. Ikshvaku Vamshasya Prabhavaha, Ramaha. Rama is a person who is very famous from the Ikshvaku Vamsam. Janehi Shrutaha, Janehi, by the people. Shrutaha, it was heard by the people. What is heard by the people? Ramanama. Ramaha, with the name of Rama. Ikshvaku Vamsa Prabhava. There is a very famous person by the name of Rama. This is heard by the people. And what is heard by them? That Rama, Niyatatma. Niyamam means Vidhi. Sheelam, Dharmam. He is Dharma Sheelaha. He follows all the rules. Niyatatma, Mahaviryaha. He is the greatest warrior. Mahaviryaha. Viryam means that Bhavam.
Brave.
Mahaviryaha.
Velar.
Man. Here, duty means what you called Dharmavan, duty. Then Dhruti. Duty means Bhasati, we told, no, shining. Dhutiman. If you look at it, he will be shining like anything. Dhutiman. Dhrutiman. Dhruti means having a brain. Brain is very brilliant person. Vashi. Vashi means Vashiyam Karoti. Whenever anybody looks at him, they will become his slave. So much attraction is. Vashi means highly attracting people.
Magnetic.
So, Visheshanam. What type of Ramaha? Niyadatma, following all the Dharma.
Mahaviryo.
Then Dhutiman.
Dhrutiman.
Yeah. So, Pada Artham also you can see. Niyadatma. His mind is completely, Niyamam follows. He is completely restrained. Otherwise, you can, we will know that is, he has, when win over all his Indrajit we call it. No?
Indrajit.
Indram Jayati, so Indrajit. Inga Indriyani Jitaha. So, Indriya Jitaha is Ramaha. So, Niyadatma. Mahaviryaha, great power. Dhutiman, radiant. Dhuti means shining. Dhutiman. Dhrutiman, very courageous. Dhruti means courageous. And he is born in the dynasty of Ikshvaku Vamsam. And Janehi means by the people, among the people. It was heard by the people. Shrutaha, Asit. Okay, in the past there was one Rama of the dynasty of Ikshvaku. He was renowned among the people. He had extraordinary prowess, radiant, courageous, and had his senses completely under control. Okay, with this will the class you kindly tell the Shanti part.
अस्तु अस्तु ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामरीतमस्तु मां विद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम नमः शिवाय सर्वं कृष्णार्पणमस्तु
Dhanyawad Mahodaya. Anytime
धन्यवाद
call me or send a message. I'll immediately
sure
answer.
sure
Okay.
sure sure thank
Do
you so
well.
much
That is more
for
important.
your valuable time
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you